to Krishna, then Maya will not disturb to you. Maya disturb when? When you avert your face from Krishna to her. That time she disturb. Ladies not disturb the gents. When gents attract the ladies, ladies disturb. You understand?
No. What? I didn't understand.
Ladies never disturb the gents. When gents attract the ladies, then ladies they will disturb.
Ladies get disturbed or they do.
What did I say? Fala.
E na verdade a mulher não vai perturbar o homem, mas quando o homem se atrai pela mulher, aí a mulher vai começar a perturbar o homem. Depois que o homem se
Who
atrai
disturb to whom?
Gents.
Who disturb? Ladies disturb to gents or gents disturb to ladies? You tell to me. You understand or not?
I understand.
So, in the same way, the Maya, when Krishna, when Jivas turn the face from Krishna to Maya, then Maya makes the illusion. Maya, this is her duty. Her duty, though Jivas not doing bhajan sadhana to Krishna, then Maya disturbs. Then Maya give, that is called, this is the punishment. This is the punishment. Maya did. When you again pray to Krishna, then Krishna will say, okay, let him to free from your clutches. Then Maya Devi should, okay, get out from this jail of Maya. Maya Devi see the jailer. That is called jail maintenance.
Prison guard.
Prison guard. This is our duty. Not her duty, not other things. When we are faced and turn towards Krishna, then Maya Devi not doing. भजते भजते कृष्ण पाद पद्म पाए कृष्ण भूली सही जीव अनादि बहिर्मुख माया तरे दय संसार दे दुख conditioned soul. What is the fault of conditioned soul? They avert their face from Krishna to Maya and try to enjoy with Maya. They enjoy Maya. Then Maya bitterly beat. Actually, no one can enjoy with Maya. We are thinking, I will enjoy with Maya. You cannot enjoy with Maya. Maya is chastisement. As like police. What is the duties of police? Those are offenders, aparadhi, criminal, and criminal person. Police will give punishment. This is the duty of police. In the same way, Maya's duty is what? Punishment to the jivas not serve, they are not serving to Krishna. Actually, this is also a mercy of a Maya. Why? Because if punishment means purified the heart of the conditioned soul. This is that thing. They are giving so much many kinds of punishment, especially 3 ways she gives the punishment: Adhyatik, Adidoivik, and Adibhautik. This thing. So saying this. भजते भजते यदि कृष्ण पाद पद्म पाए, so rendering, chanting Guru and Krishna, then Maya Devi release from the jail. Go. This is the process. So Krishna bhajan, Guru sevan, Krishna bhajan. This is all. Tate Krishna bhaje kari, Guru sevan, Maya jal chote paay, Sri Krishna charan, Chaitanya Chaitanya. ताते कृष्ण भजे करे गुरु सेवन Krishna bhajan or Guru seva. Two things are bhajan or seva. Both are same word. But bhajan, actually, this word appropriate one who realizes his transcendental constitution from Siddha Deva and direct serve to divine couple Radha and Krishna, that is called bhajan. Bhajan means your seva. But here bhajan means particular, the principal meaning of bhajan means one who realized his own transcendental constitution form, Siddha Deva. And with Siddha Deva transcendental constitution serve to direct to Krishna. That is called bhajan. Bhajan means seva, but that seva is transcendental. And now you are servicing, this is also seva. But that seva depends on your mood. Understand this? We are servicing with our limbs and body, hands, servicing as like Ambarish Maharaj. He engaged all his limbs and body to serve to Krishna. And Karu Hari Mandiram Arjunadisu. He engaged his hands to service or cleaning the temple of Lord Sri Hari. Karu Hari Mandiram Arjunadisu. Hari Mandir Seva. You understand Hari Mandir Seva? Service the temple of Lord Sri Hari. So in this way, bhajan means seva or seva means bhajan, this is true. But when you use this word bhajan, this is the particular, indicates one who knows that is transcendental constitution from Siddha Deva. That is called bhajan. Understand? Bhajan means this is this way. So now we are servicing. Then slowly unearthas removed from our heart. Then one day we will realize our transcendental constitution form, and with that transcendental constitution form Siddha Deva and direct serve to Krishna. This is the process. So if you pray to Krishna, if you pray, I will serve to Krishna, then Maya Devi, simply chalo. Not on the lip service. From your inner port of heart, tell, hey Krishna, this life only will serve your lotus feet, not do anything. That means completely sacrifice your life to Guru and Krishna. That is it. Then Maya Devi. Maya is giving punishment means is what? Actually purified. This is also one kripa. Maya kripa iti dambhe. Shastra saying Maya means is what? Kripa. This kripa, beating, unearthas. If not police give punishment, then everybody will become stupid nonsense rascal. So police giving punishment means is what? Means mercy to you. Again you will not commit that crime or sinful act. So police also give you mercy. This is that. So chant holy name, serve Guru Vaishnava. Understand? What is the question?
Qual estágio que o sadhaka ele tem a deidade adorável? Qual estágio o sadhaka ele tem a fé firme na deidade adorável? Porque no estágio nista ele tem fé firme no Guru, se sei, mas em qual estágio ele vai ter fé firme na deidade adorável?
In which stage the sadhaka will have this firm faith in the worshipable deity? Because I know that in Nishta, that sadhaka has firm faith in Guru. But when this firm faith comes in the worshipable deity, like Ishtadeva?
When faith, seva means when faith, that faith is different stage of faith. Soft faith, then more condensed faith, this faith is going. And Krishna bhakti, who is qualified to practice bhakti? Bhakti means seva to Lord. Bhakti, this word appropriate to service to Lord. Understand? Bhakti. But who is practice to bhakti? Who has Shraddha? Shraddhavan Jan Han Bhakti Adhikari. Bhakti means seva. Understand? Who has Shraddha? He is qualified to serve. Or who has no Shraddha? He is not servicing. Eating and sleeping. Shraddha, you are listening Hari Katha. This is also bhakti. Sarvanakha bhakti. You understand? You listen Hari Katha, Sarvanakha bhakti. And Sravan, Kirtan, Smaran, Padeshwan, Archan, Bandhan, Dasa, Sakkatma Nivedanam. Sarvanakha bhakti. Bhakti is good. Japriti avivekanang vishesu anupayini. Materialistic people, they absorb with their material things. In the same way, those are devotees of Lord Krishna, Krishna Bhakta. They absorb in the same way. Visayave pritiyave achoy amar sei mata priti ho charane tomar. Bhaktivinoda Thakur singing this song. Visayave. What kinds of the attachment with the material things? Same attachment, just applied towards Krishna. Understand? Our attachment is where? Most of the attachment with our body. Bodily attachment. So this attachment, asakti, how to offer to Krishna. Everything just offer to Krishna. So saying, Visayave pritiyave achoy amar sei mata priti ho charane tomar. Vitrasur, he recited this verse. Mamattama sloka janesu sakkam sangsara chakre bhamata sakarma bhi tanmayatu asakta chittasya nanatha bhuvat. Vitrasur, he is saying this way. Mamattama slokam janesu sakkam. Hey Krishna, I will be always make friendship with your pure devotee. Mamattama sloka janesu sakkam. Sangsara chakra bhramatu sakarma bhi. Maybe I will wandering in the cycle of repeated birth and death. Samsara chakra. Maybe I will stay with my wife, husband, children, and cats, dogs, everything. But you give one mercy, I will never attach with them. I will attach always with your bhaktas. So, mamattama slokam janesu sakkam sangsara chakra bhramata sakarma bhi tanmayatu. Tanmayatu, your maya. Sangsari is what? Krishna's maya. And according to my previous fruitful action karma, maybe I will wander in the samsara chakra. But give one blessing, I will never attach with my family member. Or you attach with your asakti. Because this asakti, asakti means attachment. Asakti is the cause of the bondage, or asakti is the cause of the liberty, mukti. Asakti, deep attachment with the material things, and wife, children, stupid nonsensical things, then is the cause of bondage. Understand? That is sangha, deep attachment with the sexual thing. That is the cause of the bondage. Srimad Bhagavatam gives evidence. In this material world, conditional soul completely attached with the sexual things. So they are attached. And that is the cause of the so, but how to free from this? Only chanting, doing bhajan and sadhana. So Vitrasur saying, maybe I will stay with my wife, with my sons, daughters, or my, but I should not attach with them. I will attach with your devotee. Mamattama slokam janesu sakham sangsara chakre brahmata sakarmabhi tan maya to asakta chitta sanana to bhuvat. These are things. I will be attached with a pure devotee of Lord. Bhagavad Bhakta Sanganam. With the associate with the Bhagavad Bhakta, they are devotee of Lord. And then your life will be successful. Conditional soul means is their mind is going to attach with the opposite sex. Males, what is called? Male seeking the female or female seeking the male. Understand or no? Just stupid nonsense. Not attached. You give the respect all the ladies as like your mother. Would you give respect? Then Maya will not attach you. But very difficult. First you say, mother, mother, then or sister, then Babaji, Mataji, Pitaji, finish. So very carefully. Understand? But always give respect to the ladies. They are my mother. Parastri, Matri Sama. And you give respect all the ladies as like your mother. Not attached with. And do bhajan and sadhana. And chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. You understand? One life completely surrender to Guru and Krishna. In this life, focus, I'll do bhajan and sadhana to Krishna. Not do anything. Speak louder.
I think I understand the concept of the bhajan. Please, can you explain the concept of sadhana and the difference between bhajan and sadhana?
Sadhana means is what? Actually, in the stage of conditional stage, Baddha-dasha, sadhak just, what is called, impose to serve to Lord with his limbs and body. That is called sadhana. Kriti satta, bhavek satta, sa sadhana vida, nitta siddhasya bhavasya prakatang kriti sattate. One who surrendered to Guru and Krishna, serving his limbs and body to Krishna, but his aim and object, how to attain one the sprinkle mood of the Brajavasi. That is called the sadhana. That is called sadhaka. Who is practicing sadhana? He is called sadhaka. And bhajan, this is very high level stage. And sadhana and bhajan, I told you, what is the bhajan? When you liberated and realize your transcendental concept form and serve to Lord, that is called the bhajana. Understand? Bhajan. Or sadhana in the conditional stage. You are still in your sadhana. But your aim and object, how to serve to Lord with your limbs and body. And practicing. You are chanting holy name. Listen Harikatha. With your ears. Listen Harikatha now. But maybe a question will come. Krishna Katha, Krishna Naam, there is a transcendental. Atasya Krishna Namadi. No bhaved gajya indriyoi. Sevan mukhi jihadu Swayameva Spurata Ittada. Krishna Nam, Krishna Katha. That is called Sabda Brahma. Krishna Katha, Krishna Nam is what? Nama Brahma, Sabda Brahma. And transcendental sound. How to enter in your material ears? How listen? Because your ears is what? Material. Understand? So material ears want to accept the material sound. Krishna Katha, very difficult to accept your ears. You don't want to listen Krishna Katha. Because your material ears don't want accept. Understand? So how listen Krishna Katha? Because Krishna Katha is got Sabda Brahma, transcendental. So in this verse, Atasikra Namadi Nabhavet Grijan, Sevan Mukha Jihadu, Sevan Mukh Vritti, tendency to serve. Then all your limbs and body will become Tadatma Vritti. You know, understand? Tadatma Vritti will come, then that will be accepted. Tadatma Vritti means oneness with the potency of Lord. Bhagavad Shakti. This kind. Give an example of Tadatma Vritti. More clear you understand. Tadatma Vritti means as the iron cannot burn anything. One piece of iron can burn. Same iron rod you put in the fire. Then all the heat of the fire enter inside the iron. Then iron rod will become very red. That time also burn. In the same way, when your seva vritti will come, tendency is serve to Guru and Krishna. Then slowly all your limbs and body will become Tadatma Vritti. Then Tadatma Vritti, Sevanmukh, that is called Sevanmukh Jihadu. Sevanmukh Vritti comes. Then transcendental thing accept. Seva Vritti. Vaishnava Dharma means is what? Anugattamai Seva Dharma. What did he say? Fala.
Que o Dharma dos Vaishnavas é serviço sob orientação.
Anugatta Seva, not Swatantra Seva. Understand? Swatantra Seva will get when you go to Golok Vrindavan. And actually you cannot get Swatantra Seva. Who has Swatantra Seva? Those are Nitya Paripasha. Lalita Vishakha. They serve to Divine Radha and Krishna. They are get Swatantra. There are also two kinds of seva. One is called Swatantra Seva, one is called Anugattamai Seva. Swatantra Seva, independent service, that only those who are eternally associated of Krishna, as in Lalita Vishakha. What does what is? Lalita Vishakha, those who are the, what is called? Swatantra Naika they are also. They have sometimes also Swatantra. They can, and how to serve to Divine Radha and Krishna, they do. And Manjari Seva, that is called Anugattamai Seva. Manjari Seva means that Anugattamai Seva. They serve Divine Radha and Krishna under guidance of one specific Sakhi. Understand? This thing. And another also seva to say, one is called Nikatagata Seva, another is called Durgata Seva. Two kinds of services there. Nikatagata very close to serve to Srimati Radhika. Nikatagata Seva. Very close to service Srimati Radhika, that also only the Manjari, those who are eternal associates of Srimati Radhika. Radhika is Nitya Paripasha. As I Rupa Manjari, Rati Manjari. They are very close to Srimati Radhika. They can serve. Durgata Seva, those jivas, Padma Bhajan and Sadhan going in there, they also take service. Durgata means little bit far from Srimati Radhika. What is that? The Manjari will be say, okay, you pluck flowers, you also collect the flowers from the garden. You also make the garlands. And that garlands you offer to Rupa Manjari. Rupa Manjari decorate Srimati Radhika here. That is called That is very high level, you may not understand. Just listen. What is called Durgata Seva, Nikatgata Seva. This is just it. But in your sadhan stage, Sevan Mukh Vritti Seva. Sevan Mukh Vritti. Meaning, tendency to serve Guru. Then all your limbs and body will become Tadatma Vritti. Understand? And aprakita deha. Well, how will become your body will become and transient? So give an example as like the touchstone and touchstone touch the iron transfer in gold. In the same way, doing bhajan and sadhan, and then your body will become what is called aprakita. Your mind, everything will be aprakita. That time very high level stage also. And step by step. And Shraddha, Sadhusanga, Bhajana Kriya, Anarthavritti, Nishtha, Ruchi, Asakti, Bhavadasha. When sadhu will come in Bhavadasha, and that time. First is in the Shraddha. Shraddha also one is called Komal Shraddha. Komal Shraddha means Hola. Soft. But again and again associated sadhu listen Hari Katha, then Shraddha will be thick. Understand? Condensed. Then going more. This Shraddha, Sadhu Sangha, Bhajana Kriya, Anarthavritti, Nishtha, Ruchi, Asakti, then Bhav and this is the process. So sadhak are siddha. Sadhak means those who are practicing serve to Krishna with their limbs and body, how to attain one to sprinkle mood of Brajavasi. That's called sadhak. So this is the definition of sadhak. Kriti saddha, bhavet saddha, sa sadhana vidha. Nitya siddhasya bhavasya prakattam hridi sadhati. You are sadhak or siddha? Which are you? Siddha. Siddha understand? What is Siddha? Man completely boiled. Siddha, actual one is called boil, rice boil. Rice cooked, boil. So you are rice cooked or not? No, you are not Siddha. You are Sadhaka. You will not also become Sadhaka. Sadhaka Bhas, some names are Sadhaka.
Because we don't in the goal.
Sadhaka Bhas. Abhas means the semblance. We are practicing, try to how to become sadhaka. Who is proper sadhaka? Billamangala Dayu Sadhaka Parikirtita. Sadhak means, this is the same. Bhakti Rathamrita Sindhu Bindu. Vishwanath Chakravarti quoted this verse also. Who is qualified direct to take darshan to Lord Krishna? Understand?
Not yet Krishna Rati.
But Krishna Rati manifested in his heart.
Has manifested.
Rati manifested in his heart. But some, what is called, impediment. Understand? In his heart. But for this regard, he did not direct take darshan to Krishna. But he is qualified. He is called Sadhaka. So, Billamangaladev Sadhaka Parikirtita. Billamangal Thakur, his name is coming in the list of Sadhaka. Understand? Sadhaka Parikirtita. Billamangal Thakur is at a very high level. But still he is Sadhaka. So that means is what? And we are trying to become sadhaka. And now we are practicing with our limbs and body and how to control our lust, anger, jealousy, envy, stupid, nonsense, rascal things.
Just imposing.
Imposing of your and bhajan. Impose. That's how bhakti is three stages. One is called sadhana, what is called? Arop Siddha Bhakti, another is called Sangha Siddha Bhakti, another is called Sarup Siddha. Maybe you are two bhakti jati. Arop Siddha and Sangha Siddha. Kanishta Adhikari is also. Arop means imposing. Just Gurudev told the Thakurji is transcendent, Sachidananda. So you are imposing. But your faith very soft. Sometimes you think, oh, Gurudev says this is true. Or sometimes you think, how possible? Mind also confused. Understand? This stage. Our Sangha Siddha, Sangena Siddha Jayati iti Sangha Siddha. With the association of devotee, if you are devotee, then all kinds of good qualifications will come. Sattva, Socha, Daya, Astika, good qualification. And following all the good behavior of Vaishnavas, Vaishnava Sadgun. And with that Sadgun, good qualification of Vaishnava, you start to work. For this regard, need is what? Vaishnava Sadachar, good behavior Vaishnava. Understand? How to sit, how to eat, and everything have described in Srimad, what is it? Haribhakti Vilas. So I say, read Haribhakti Vilas. Shuddha Sadachar will come. And understand? You should not eat on the altar of the Thakurji. Understand? And prasad should not, after offering Thakurji, prasad should be. Even your ghee lamps, and when to this arati, that ghee lamps again not bring in the altar. And that ghee lamps should be clean, washed with the water, then. Actually, everything Suddha Sadachar. But how do you know this Suddha Sadachar, good behavior? With the association of sadhu. Sadhu will be say, hey, this is this ghee lamp offered to Thakurji, and when these ghee lamps will be washed and clean with the water, then you can understand. This is the Sadgun coming, good qualification. So Arup Siddha, then Sangha Siddha, then Sarup Siddha. One Sarup Siddha, this is a high level stage also again. One who realizes his own transcendental concept form and direct serve to Krishna. That is called Sarup Siddha. Sadhak can do two kinds of bhakti. Arup Siddha and Sangha Siddha. Sangha Siddha is very important. Sangha Siddha means that's sadhu, sadhu Sangha. And listen Hari Katha, then you accept. Here sadhu is saying this is good. I have to listen. And you should not sit and what is called? Your back got happened. And this is called offenses. How do you know? With the association of sadhu, sadhu will be saying, you should not sit in front, you should not sit in front of Thakurji and back to understand? When you sit, also your feet should be covered with the cloth. This is everything have Suddha Sadachar. Understand? Any asana this is not. Your feet should not show to the Thakurji. Sometimes they are sitting. Their feet in the air. As a cow. And your feet should not be. Understand? When I first time come in Brazil and speaking Hari Katha, not so many, only 2-3 boyfriend, girlfriend coming, I am giving Hari Katha. I came and Ashram Maharaj, that is Govinda Bhattata. Nikunja Vihari Prabhu, he translated our, his driver, he our translator. And giving Hari Katha. And then boyfriend, girlfriend coming and sitting. And then after 5 minutes, boyfriend, girlfriend, they also embrace each other, they are fit towards us. Eh? Because they are innocent, they have no fault, because they are simple, they don't know.
Baby.
They are very simple. This is that not your fault, because they don't know how to say these things. I remember. So, but you are now, you listen to Hari Katha, now you also, listen, when you sit up in front of sadhu, how to cover your feet with a cloth. Understand? In the same way. Sadhu Sangha means this way, sadhu will give the proper instruction to you, and then Suddha Sadachar will come, and Sadgun will come. Good qualification will come, slowly. Understand? Go to 8:30, chalo.
Question, please. You always say it's very dangerous to meditate and not to be for Kopai and activity because each one is one stage in sadhana. But how to identify which distraction can be for me? Because in Aropa Siddha we need to impose something. But how do I know if I'm imposing to getting better or I try to imitate another devotee?
First imposing this, but sadhu will be, that is called, and rectify. Rectify is correct. Sadhu, oh, this is not good. This is good. So you don't understand. Sadhu will be, and sadhu will rectify and correct. Oh, this is this way, not this way. This way. You don't know, but sadhu will tell you, okay, do this way, this way. But sometimes very difficult to listen the instruction of sadhu. But you have to listen the instruction of sadhu. This is the thing. You think sadhu is my best friend. Best friend means you give the best and proper instruction. He is called best friend. So who is your friend? Sadhu is my friend. Guru is my friend. Because Guru, he gives perfect instruction to me. Understand? Only thing, he is my perfect, what is called? Supreme benefactor. You understand benefactor? Yes. Yes. So always give respect. Oh, he is saying, I have to do this. Good.
So Gurudev, he will rectify us directly or through
Are
others?
directly, indirectly would give. Sometimes directly, sometimes indirectly.
How you know Gurudev?
Huh?
How you know?
I know everything. Huh? Okay? Are you Jagannath?
Like even if the curtain is closed of the altar, cannot give back the curtain.